What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Tesla stock.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and I will show you how we caught this movement to the upside, which brought us about 15% of potential profits. Then I will continue with fundamental news and I will show you that we have a lot of news directly related to Tesla that might drive its price higher, but we have the general news for the market that might drive the price lower, and that's why we have to be very cautious about that. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this point, and I've told you that we might hit the next range of resistance that was at $313.5 mark, and we hit it to the tick, and we had some kind of reaction. We bounced off this line, and for now we are hovering again at roughly $308 mark. And I still stand on my position that our medium-term target is at $339.47. And we might hit it in the next couple of weeks, but we have to be cautious because for now we have some news that probably might drive the price of entire market down. And definitely from its lowest point, from the range of 0.382 at the price point of $272.13, this movement to the upside in a matter of just a couple of weeks brought us about 15% of potential profits. And congratulations to all of you who took my call and who entered your long position right here, because this was quite a good entry point, and these profits in a matter of just several days are very lucrative. So, and let's continue with the fundamental news. Let me show you what are the main news directly related to Tesla. On my previous video, I've told you that Tesla probably might end up its battery pack program in Germany. But right here you can see that on InsideEVs.com we have this article that was published on September the 20th, and that is titled "Giga Berlin cell production still on, but Tesla will focus on Austin." And the main idea of this article that they are still on their path to make the battery packs in Germany, but the main facility will be the factory in Austin. And this is due to the prospect of tax incentives. Definitely, the more margin the company has on a certain product line, the higher the improvement of their fundamentals might be. So, and let's continue with another news. Right here on InsideEVs.com we have this article, and it's titled "Tesla Giga Shanghai production capacity updates are complete." And the subtitle is "Tesla is increasing its production capacity across the globe and targeting 22,000 Model 3 and Y units per week in China." Definitely it is a huge milestone for the Chinese factory, because for now it is the biggest EV production factory in the world, and the efforts to make these numbers even higher drive the fundamentals of Tesla further. And definitely it might be a very good long-term catalyst for this company. But in general, we have even more news that are quite beneficial for Tesla. On electric.co we have this article that was published on September 17th, and it says Tesla Gigafactory Texas has produced 10,000th Model Y electric SUV. And let me quote you this. One of the biggest stories at Tesla right now as the production ramps up is that the automaker is trying to simultaneously achieve Gigafactory Berlin and Gigafactory Texas. Those two factories are expected to roughly double Tesla's production capacity within the next year. However, those production ramps are hard to predict, and Tesla is not exactly forthcoming with the production numbers, but it does share milestones. Today, the automaker announced that Gigafactory Texas produced its 10,000th Model Y vehicle. And definitely it is a very good milestone, because in general it is quite tricky to any company to start their productions and to ramp up their productions in a short period of time. Definitely the shorter this period is, the more benefits the company has. And in this case, I have to say that Gigafactory Texas and Gigafactory Berlin might bring a lot of positive news and a lot of improvements in its fundamentals in a short period of time. And that's why from the fundamental standpoint, these news are very beneficial for Tesla. On top of this news, let me show you that we have another analytic firm that boosted the price target of Tesla, and right now it is a Deutsche Bank, and it made its prediction on September 16th, and it boosted its price target and set a buy rating with a new price target of $400 instead of $375, and it implies more than 31% of potential profits. And I have to say that this news also drove the price of Tesla to this range of resistance. But in general, we have some bearish news, probable bearish news, and definitely, let me quote you this. On September the 20th on CNBC.com, we have this article that is titled, Fed expected to hike rates by 3/4 of a point again, but its forecast may matter most. And definitely we are anticipating the end of their meeting, and it will be ended basically today on Wednesday, and we have to see what will be the interest rate hike for this meeting. And because of this news, we are anticipating this movement, and markets are basically in a standby mode, because if we will see the 0.75 interest rate hike, probably we might see some bearish pressure on the market. Otherwise, if the hike will be less than 0.75 percentage point, definitely the market will react with the bullish movement. And that's why we have to be prepared for this, and that's why our price target of $339.47 is still in play as a medium-term target. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell, and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, what should we expect next? I have to say that we reached the crucial point right now for Tesla's price action, because we have the range of about $313 as the range of resistance. So we had two touches of this range previously at the very beginning of August and in the mid of August. And right now we also have this touch and we have a reaction. And I have to say that these two candles implies that we just barely touched this range, and most likely we might see the lower price action from this point. And if it is the case, if we completed all 5-wave structure in this movement to the upside, definitely we might hit some lower targets. And to make the prediction where we might land, I have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, and if the range of resistance holds, we might land at the ranges from 0.382 all the way down through 0.5 to the golden pocket range, and it is the price points of $295.21, $289.55, and the golden pocket range is the range in between $282.36 and $283.89. So if you want to enter your medium-term position with Tesla, just wait for this retracement and accumulate your position all the way down. And for those of you who entered your position right here, on my previous video I've told you that you can put your stop loss in the green territory at the range of about $280, and you can still hold this position, because in a medium-term perspective we have the price point of $339.47 as our target for the next couple of weeks. So I think from the technical standpoint that's it for now. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life. I'm crazy, I'm mad, doing no cap. Only God wants, so you better go